Good morning, Dave. Hightower here for an update on the grain markets for October the 23rd. In retrospect on the week, we've had quite a bit of a switch around from deflation to inflation by a number of big, famous, successful fund managers and a number of large Wall Street brokerage firms. Some of this is predicated on the prospect of large spending in the event of a Biden win. But we're also seeing reloading of commodity purchases, in particular wheat. We come back and we see the pandemic buying. Originally, there was a panic, can you get the supply chain to get supply in? So Egypt, Algeria buying wheat contracts. That's exacerbated by dryness in Russia, too much rain in Australia. China continues to be a very aggressive buyer of products. And they also are seeing this week the high-frequency data showing activity picking up noticeably in both Russia and China, and at the same time showing some signs of life in India, so that could also feed in some buying for those agricultural markets. Going forward, the dollar might be of a significant impact. We do have this stimulus package today. A number of financial markets are looking through as if something positive is going to happen, and I don't know if that's the result of hope for vaccine news maybe within the next 6 or 7 trading sessions. We've certainly come a long way up in some of the grain markets here. But it seems like this particular buying is based on more long-term sustainable demand issues, and therefore would not consider the markets to be as technically overbought. Something to note today in an outside market is the fact that Swiss and Euro have factored in a lot of optimistic developments. They seem to be discounting the infection threat and the threat of shutdowns, and they are recovery currencies. Even the treasury markets down at the lowest level since June, so that would suggest they're also looking through and seeing something positive. If the needle tips in the opposite direction and we don't get a stimulus, this could be an extremely volatile Friday trade. That's an update for October 23rd.